Sentul is no longer a dead rural area. Over the past 15 years, this city has undergone remarkable transformation. With a notable rise in its population and substantial increase in the number of buildings. What's happened to Sentul? In today's episode, we will be exploring whether Sentul is a great place to live.
Back in the day, Sentul was a railway hub filled with religious structures and pre-war shops. During World War II in 1945, Sentul was heavily bombed by the British plane.
Today, Sentul presents a contrasting picture. The skyline is now filled with impressive skyscrapers and remarkable architectural landmarks that have completely reshaped the city's appearance. Sentul has gone through a radical transformation. More and more people are moving to this place. Traffic congestion has become a hot topic. It really makes you wonder why there's such a high demand.
Sentul is just a short 5 km north of the KL city centre. It is also close to happening areas like Mongkiara, Titiwangsa, Kepong and Setapak. Now, here's the thing. When comparing the average property price of medium and high-end condo in this area, Sentul is the most affordable option.
The affordable housing in Sentul attracts people from different backgrounds and ethnicities, and hence the population of Sentul, which was once predominantly Indian, has become more diverse now. As Sentul continues to develop, it has evolved into a wonderful community where Malays, Chinese and Indians peacefully coexist and reside together.
Sentul was once in a state of decline and infamous of gangs fight during the night. However, things changed due to modernization.
Nobody wants to stay in a ghost town. We want a lively town full of interesting places to spend time and convenient access to our daily needs.
Sentul has really seen some impressive improvement in its infrastructure over the years. Now, we have convenient access to major roads and highways. Traveling to other parts of Klang Valley has never been so easy. And let's not forget about the public transport options, LRT, MRT and buses.
The transformation of Sentul is still ongoing, with numerous new developments emerging in the area. Many of these new projects are priced below the median average of properties in KL. For example, M and M Centura offer starting prices as low as 350k. Sentul is a place where history meets modernity. Are you considering staying in Sentul? That's a question for you to ponder. Feel free to share about your thoughts and opinions about Sentul in the comment section below. And be sure to like and share this video. Stay tuned for our next episode.